Welcome to class 7 mathematics. In the previous class, we completed exercise 4.1. Today I am going to discuss the new topic how to solve an equation. Let's Now we are discussing with solving an equation. What is meant by solving an equation? Solving an equation means to find the value of the variable which is in the equation. For a simple linear equation in one variable, linear equation means an algebraic equation whose degree is 1. For example, x plus 3 equal to 10 is a linear equation in which the variable is x, whose degree is 1. So, x plus 3 equal to 10, we can call it as a linear equation. So, in this case, the variable can have only one value which will make the equation true. That is, for x equal to 7, in this equation LHS will be equal to RHS. So, 7 is the root or solution of the equation. That is, the value of the variable which will make the equation true is called the solution or root of the equation. Example, x plus 3 equal to 10. Here only for x equal to 7, LHS of the equation will be equal to RHS. So we can say that x equal to 7 is the root or solution of the equation. For solving an equation, last year you learned about a trial and error method. In this year, we are discussing with another two methods. The first one is step by step separating the variable and the second one is transposition method. Let's move to the first method. Our first method, solving an equation by step separating the variable. Let's move to exercise 4.2, question number 1. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Our question is x minus 1 equal to 0. We have to find the solution of the equation by separating the variable step by step. So, here along with the variable x, 1 is there. 1 is subtracted from x. So, to remove the numeral 1, we have to add 1 on LHS. And you have learned the properties of equation in the last class. In that we have written what we are adding on LHS, you have to add to RHS, then the equation will remain same. Otherwise the equation will change. So if we are adding 1 on LHS, the 1 should be added to RHS also. So our first step is add 1 on both sides. So we get x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 will become 0. So LHS become x only. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is the solution. You can check whether the given value is correct or not. For that, you can substitute this value in the given equation. In the place of x, you can substitute 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 means 0. That is 0 equal to 0. LHS equal to RHS. Hence, we found x equal to 1 is the correct solution of the given equation. Next, question number B, x plus 1 equal to 0. How to remove this 1? By subtracting 1 from both sides. So we can write subtract 1 from both sides. We get x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0 minus 1. 1 in the LHS plus 1 and minus 1 cancelled. So LHS become x only. 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is the solution. Our next question C, x minus 1 equal to 5. In the LHS, here the numeral is 1. So to remove 1 from LHS, you can add 1 on both sides. So we can write add 1 on both sides. So we get x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. LHS minus 1 and plus 1 cancelled. So x equal to 6. That is equal to 6 is the solution. Next, D. X plus 6 equal to 2. In the LHS, we have the numeral 6. So to remove 6 from LHS, you can subtract 6. So you subtract 6 from both sides. So we can write subtract 6 from both sides. We get x plus 6 minus 6 equal to 2 minus 6. In the LHS, plus 6 and minus 6 cancelled, and 2 minus 6 will give minus 4. So x equal to minus 4 is the solution. Next, E. Y minus 4 equal to minus 7. So to remove 4 from LHS, you can add 4 on both sides. So we get y minus 4 plus 4 equal to minus 7 plus 4. While solving LHS and RHS, we get y equal to minus 3. Next, F equal to, next question F, y minus 4 equal to 4. So to remove 4 from LHS, you can add 4 on both sides. So add 4 on both sides, we get y minus 4 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 4. Minus 4 and plus 4 cancelled on the LHS. So y equal to 8 is the solution. Next, G. Y plus 4 equal to 4. So to remove 4 from LHS, you can subtract 4 from both sides. So subtract 4 from both sides, we get y plus 4 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 4. 4 and minus 4 cancelled. So y equal to 0. Next, H. Y plus 4 equal to minus 4. To get y only on the LHS, you can subtract 4 from both sides. So y plus 4 minus 4 equal to minus 4 minus 4. So plus 4 and minus 4 cancelled, and on the RHS minus 4 minus 4, apply the rule of subtraction of integers. Minus 4 plus minus 4, same sign, you can add and put the same sign. So we get minus 8. That is y equal to minus 8 is the solution. Next, question 2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Just like question number 1, in that we are separating the variable with the operations addition and subtraction. Here we are dealing with the multiplication and division, then how to separate the variable. Our question, 3L equal to 42. So 3 is multiplied with L. So to remove 3, you have to divide by 3. So whatever the operation we are doing on LHS, the same should done with the RHS also. So in this question, to get the variable alone only in the LHS, we have to divide by 3 on both sides. So 3L upon 3 equal to 42 upon 3. After cancelling, we get L equal to 14. B. B by 2 equal to 6. To remove 2 from LHS, here B is divided by 2. So you have to multiply by 2 on both sides. So B by 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 6 into 2. 2's are cancelled on LHS. So B equal to 12 is the solution. Next, C. P by 7 equal to 4. So we can multiply by 7 on both sides. P by 7 into 7 equal to 4 into 7. That is P equal to 28 is the solution. Next, D. 4x equal to 25. To remove 4, we have to divide by 4 on both sides. So 4x upon 4 equal to 25 upon 4. In the LHS, 4 and 4 is cancelled. So x equal to 25 upon 4 is the solution. Next, E. 8y equal to 36. So divide by 8 on both sides. So we get 8y upon 8 equal to 36 upon 8. After cancelling, we get y equal to 9 upon 2. So y equal to 9 upon 2 is the solution. You can check this one by substituting 9 upon 2 in the given equation. So we get LHS equal to RHS. F. Z by 3 equal to 5 by 4. To remove 3 from LHS, you have to multiply by 3 on both sides. So we get Z by 3 into 3 equal to 5 by 4 multiplied by 3. In the LHS, 3 and 3 are cancelled. So Z equal to 15 upon 4 is the solution. Next, G. A by 5 equal to 7 upon 15. To remove 5 from LHS, you have to multiply by 5 on both sides. So we get A by 5 into 5 equal to 7 upon 15 into 15. After cancelling, we get A equal to 7 upon 3. Next, H. 20t equal to minus 10. To get t alone in the LHS, you have to divide by 20 on both sides. So we get 20t upon 20 equal to minus 10 upon 20. After cancelling, we get t equal to minus 1 upon 2.